Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to add someone to Life360 Circle. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To add someone to Life360 Circle, tap open your Life360 app and make sure to log in. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom of your Circle members list and tap on Add a New Member button. You'll be able to see your invitation code displayed on the screen. Tap on Send Code and select the person you'd like to send your invitation code to. And now, choose your preferred messaging app. You can choose between text, email, WhatsApp, Messenger, and other messaging application. Select the contact you want to invite and forward the message to the person by tapping Yes. Now, once you've sent your invitation, each person you invite will need to download the Life360 app and create their own account in it. They'll need to use their own phone number, email address, and password. Once they create an account for themselves and accept your invitation, you'll be able to add people or a member to your Life360 Circle. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.